Ah, yes. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the chaos. And today, the chaos begins and exists here at Journey into Imagination with Figment. Yay! Have you ever been on the Figment ride? Well, if you haven't, you're going to today. This is, in my opinion, one of the craziest rides in existence. So come along, let's have some fun.
Guys, let's ask you to finish off with the drinks before boarding the ride.
Got some of the top tier scientists here. He's got Professor Wayne Selinsky, shrinking gun. Of course, from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, Professor Philip Brennard, who invented flubber. He's missed. And of course, Dr. Nigel Channing. We'll see more of Nigel while we're here in Figment's imagination.
There's the flubber storage area.
Oh, there's flubber storage.
It's crazy.
I bet.
Drink in there.
Yeah, you need to buy that.
Bienvenidos. Para sus seguridad durante su estadía en nuestros laboratorios permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Onboard.
To ensure your safe tour of our sensory labs, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside your tour trap. Keep a watchful eye on your children and, please don't let your imaginations run wild.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad durante su estadía en nuestros laboratorios sensoriales, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? this is odd. Hello? Who is this?
It's Figment!
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things. From just the sound, your mind has wings.
The things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and hit.
With your mind empty, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Imagination works best when it's set free. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? No, he's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Coming to play? I'd love to.
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't! That really stinks.
Of course, Doc, the nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind will find what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. It's come right up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brains of our house.
Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. It's time to get back to the institute. We all have sparks.
Imagination. That's how our minds create creation.
We set them free and know what they can do. Those magic sparks from me and you.
You see, I knew you'd get it because you have a wonderful imagination.
I do. Oh, yes. Thank you, Figment. So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
you imagine. And now we invite you to set your imaginations free in the ImageWorks.
Hooray! Let's go play!
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's
Speaking of imagination, I imagine working here, you have that song stuck in your head all day long. Welcome to ImageWorks. This is a fun area for the kids to come hang out in afterwards. There's the Figment's melody maker. If you put your hand up, you can control what's going on. Oh, there you go. Pretty cool. I don't know if you are old enough to remember. I think it's called Simon, the old Simon game. There's a circle, but you can touch a panel, and then you got to do the ones.
Touch a lighting panel to begin. Then follow the pattern.
Oh. What's next? Red, yellow. Hit it! Touch! No, this one! No!
Touch a lighting panel to begin.
This area is really cool. Every box that you step on plays a different instrument. So if you get everybody standing on every single one of the boxes, all of those instruments will play. And then from here you can make your own dragon, and you can email it to mom and dad's email address and print it out so that you have your own Figment style. It's been a minute since I've seen characters. They have character meets in here. Usually there's joy or sadness here, and then they've had Figment showing up. That was kind of a big deal when he first started coming out. And one of the things that a lot of people miss is the old animation from the Dreamfinder when Figment was introduced on that ride years ago. Right? What do you think of that?
I just see him have big arms.
But it's really cool. This is Dreamport. This is where the characters walk out of. And when Wreck-It Ralph had just come out, you'd see Penelope and Wreck-It Ralph come out of there. It was very fitting. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that. This is Imagination. Journey into Imagination with Figment. And it's a weird ride. You have people that absolutely adore Figment. Years back when they introduced the Figment popcorn bucket, it's like a 4-hour wait to get those. As big a fan as I am, I don't think I could ever do these crowds. I'm just saying.
We love him.
Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs up anyway, so that way the people that really hate our content get a chance to see it. Until tomorrow.